Hello and welcome. I'm so grateful that you're here today. I believe you're watching this video because something deep within you is calling for transformation. Perhaps you've been wondering how to unlock your true potential and create a life that aligns with your soul's purpose. You're in the right place because today we're going to explore how the law of attraction can help you manifest your divine destiny. Thank you for taking this step in your journey. I invite you to stay with me throughout this entire message as we uncover how to use this powerful law to create a life full of abundance, alignment, and joy. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to harness the law of attraction to manifest everything you desire. Whether it's love, success, peace, or purpose. Have you ever felt like there's more to life than what you're currently experiencing? Do you sense that your true purpose is just waiting to unfold? If you've answered yes to either of these, the law of attraction can help guide you to where you're meant to be. It's not just about wishing for things to come your way. It's about aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your higher self and divine plan. At its core, the law of attraction is a universal principle that states like attracts like. What you focus on, your thoughts, feelings, and energy draws similar energies into your life. If you focus on abundance, positivity, and success, you'll attract more of those things. If you focus on lack, fear, or negativity, that's what you'll bring into your reality. This law is not some mystical concept that only a few enlightened people understand. It's an inherent force of the universe, one that you can tap into at any moment. It works naturally, whether you're aware of it or not, because the universe is constantly responding to your energy. But here's the key. You have the power to consciously use the law of attraction to create the life you desire. Your thoughts and feelings are incredibly powerful, and when they're aligned with your higher purpose, you'll begin to manifest experiences that resonate with your soul. Think for a moment about the power of your thoughts. How often do you catch yourself thinking negatively or focusing on what's not going right in your life? Maybe you worry about your future or feel stuck in your current situation. But what if I told you that your thoughts shape the reality you experience? This isn't just a theory, this is how the law of attraction works. If you consistently focus on gratitude, abundance, and the positive things in your life, you begin to shift your energy to a higher frequency. You start to attract more of those things. And as you attract more positivity, you create a ripple effect that brings you closer to the life you're destined for. It's important to remember that the universe responds not only to your thoughts but also to the energy you carry within yourself. If you want to manifest your divine destiny, you must align your energy with your intentions. You need to raise your vibration to match the frequency of what you desire. One of the most powerful tools in manifesting your divine destiny is visualization. Imagine yourself living the life you desire. Picture it in vivid detail. What does your life look like when you've achieved your dreams? What does success feel like? Visualize the love, abundance, and peace you seek. How do you feel in that moment? What do you hear, see, and experience? Visualization is a technique that allows you to tap into the energy of your future. By seeing yourself already living your desired reality, you align your thoughts with the vibration of that reality. It's like sending a signal to the universe that you're ready to receive the blessings that are already on their way to you. But it's not just about seeing it, feel it. The emotions tied to your visualization are key. When you feel gratitude, joy, and fulfillment as you visualize, you amplify the energy you're sending out. The more deeply you feel these emotions, the more quickly the universe will respond to your desires. The law of attraction isn't just about asking for things. It's about aligning with your higher self. You are not just a human being on a journey. You are a divine being with limitless potential. Your higher self knows exactly what you need, what your soul desires, and what path you should walk. The key to manifesting your divine destiny is to listen to your higher self, trust your intuition, and act in alignment with your soul's calling. Sometimes this may mean taking a step back and letting go of things that no longer serve your purpose. It's about trusting the process, even when you can't see the full picture. When you align with your higher self, you begin to see opportunities, paths, and guidance that were previously hidden from you. You no longer feel like you're stumbling in the dark. Instead, you feel a deep sense of trust that everything is unfolding as it should, in divine timing. Gratitude is one of the most powerful forces you can tap into when working with the law of attraction. When you express gratitude for the things you already have, you raise your vibration and signal to the universe that you are open to receiving even more. It's a way of saying, I am ready for more blessings in my life. Start small by expressing gratitude every day. Be thankful for the little things. The warmth of the sun on your face, the love of your family, the roof over your head. As you cultivate a daily practice of gratitude, you begin to shift your mindset from one of scarcity to one of abundance. And as your energy shifts, so does the reality you experience. Gratitude also creates a space for more joy and peace in your life. It's a reminder that, even in challenging times, there's always something to be thankful for. And when you focus on what you're grateful for, you attract more of it into your life. The most important part of manifesting your divine destiny is trusting in the divine plan for your life. You are here for a reason. Your life has a purpose, and even when things don't go as planned, you can trust that everything is happening for your highest good. God has a plan for you, one that is filled with blessings, growth, and transformation. It may not always make sense in the moment, but every step you take is part of a greater journey. Trust that the universe is always working in your favor, guiding you to where you need to be. When you let go of control and trust the divine timing of your life, you open yourself up to the miracles that are waiting for you. Manifestation isn't just about thinking and visualizing. It's also about taking inspired action. When you align your thoughts and energy with your desires, you must also be willing to take steps toward your goals. Sometimes this means stepping out of your comfort zone and taking risks. But when you act in alignment with your divine purpose, every step you take is supported by the universe. The key is to take inspired action, not action based on fear, doubt, or external pressures. The universe will guide you to the right opportunities, but you must be ready to seize them. Trust your intuition, follow the signs, and know that every action you take is bringing you closer to your divine destiny. Remember, you are the creator of your reality. The law of attraction is not some external force that controls your life. It's a reflection of your own energy. You are the one who shapes your destiny, and the universe is here to support you. So, I ask you, are you ready to take control of your life and manifest the future you've always dreamed of? Are you ready to align with your divine destiny and step into the life you were meant to live? The universe is waiting for you to take the first step. Trust in yourself, trust in the divine plan, and watch as everything falls into place. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this message has inspired you to embrace the power of the law of attraction and take the steps needed to manifest your divine destiny. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment sharing your thoughts, and share this video with anyone you think might benefit from it. Remember, you are chosen for greatness. Your divine destiny is within your reach, and the universe is ready to support you on this incredible journey. Thank you so much for staying with me throughout this entire message. I hope the insights shared today have helped you understand how the law of attraction works and how you can use it to manifest your divine destiny. You have everything you need within you to create the life you desire, and the universe is ready to support you as you step into your greatness. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and share it with others who may benefit from this message. Remember, your divine destiny is in your hands. The universe is on your side, guiding you toward everything you are meant to become. Thank you for watching until the end, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.